Hello, welcome to High Ash Weather, and today we're going to change the vacuum line to silicone. Okay, so you can see the vacuum line's going on the turbo solenoid, the boost valve solenoid. So they come out, you got three vacuum lines that come out there, and they run up to here into the turbo actuator. Two block offs on the intake, and then around and down to the side down here over the top of the engine. So when I first got the truck back on the road, I had one of these here. Don't know if you can see that, but one of those down there was really badly perished, and the same on the other side, and I had to cut them down. So I got some new silicone stuff. So we'll remove one at a time, cut the silicone down to the right size, and replace it. Okay, so I'm going to pull out. I'm going to go from right to left, pulling out the vacuum line, following it, so I don't. I'll get them all mixed up, because when I did the cylinder head on the car, pulled all the vacuum lines out, didn't take any photos, and got a little bit confused, which is one of the reasons it wasn't quite running right, is because wrong pipe in the wrong place. So I'm just gonna measure along the length of it, make them about the same length. So that long, and I'm going to give it like another inch. Get my trusty knife out, and I don't know if you can see. And I'm just going to put it on there. I will cut it. Easy as that. And then put it back on. So start here. So the problem I come into now is that it feels like this is too thick. So I've yeah. Okay, we're back several weeks later with some more vacuum lines. Hopefully I got the right size. Stay there. So I got this, it was from eBay, RAMAIR, and it is actually for metal. So it should fit, hopefully. So if my lovely camera assistant wants to come here and just point it towards the turbo actuator, pull that one off. Pull that off, and then all the way down here at the boost solenoid. Oh. Oh no! I might not be able to drive home. I think we can fix it. Well, take boost solenoid off though. Fun times. Fix it, yeah, break it. Okay, so let's pull the boost solenoid off and undo the clip. Got to pry it past the thing, and it pulls out, and it lets you unplug it, and then you lose it in the depths of your engine. We'll find that in just a second. Alright. what I will remember is the one with the blue dot goes on the right, and the one that goes to the block off is on my left. Okay. We really didn't want to do that, but we've done it, now we have to fix it. People be screaming at me, you gotta buy a new one. So we got that out. We're gonna have to glue it back on. So we'll go get some glue. What is required? Bit of mitre board glue, and then we'll put a little bit of JB Weld around the outer edge. What I don't want to do is block up the hole. If we block up the hole, it won't work. And it's back on. So now that we keep messing things up, let's cut this down again and hopefully get it right. Because last time we cut it down and then test fit it. So let's do the same. I'm pretty sure it'll be right this time. Like I said, measure it out to the old one, and then I'm going to cut a little bit longer. Just because I keep cutting stuff off of them. Put them tight, then I'll do a little bit more. And that is going to go on top of my turbo into the actuator. Just like that. And then feed that down there, clip it into the middle, clip it in there, and it's going to dangle in the bit there. Okay, on to the next bit. So we'll do this one. Pop them off. See, this is the little blank I was talking about, but it's not actually a blank. Pull it off. Blow through. That just goes back in there. So your one from the inlet side goes here, and from the turbo boost solenoid goes there. So we'll do these ones first. So stretch them out again. Trim a little bit more. Cut them off there. Back in his home. That one goes on the left. Boost solenoid. So we've got the middle, the left, and now we just got to do the ones that go across the engine. I'm hoping that I have enough pipe. Maybe just enough. So pull this one off again. And it just pulls off down here. If you want to come around and have a quick look before I pull them off. You just look in there where my finger is, which might be hard to see. There's two pipes there, and this one and this one. So this one comes up here, pull that off, and now we'll take this one off and measure it. Plus a little bit, because this is the one I keep cutting down. And add a little bit. And I think I might have to buy some more to finish this, because that will go from there to there and finish about there. So I'm gonna have to leave one for the minute, but we're getting things done slowly but surely. So this one was my third, wasn't it? Then hang on a minute. And they're all just push fit, so you literally just push them over wherever they're going, and they're in. So, pull through a little bit more, pull it through a little bit more, pull it through. And all through about the same length. Literally wait for our solenoid to dry, and I should be able to drive home. Fingers crossed. If not, I'm stuck here. It's the worst place to be stuck. So I'll just put all the pipes back on where they come from. That one, the middle one, which is the one I broke, and the end one. And slide it back onto his little bracket. Just like that. And then I need to find the little clippy bit that I dropped down there. And for some reason I got a very dirty hand. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll probably get some more silicone sealant, silicone hose, and finish it off. But yeah, till next time, when I think we'll probably finally do that snorkel that I talked about a couple of episodes ago and haven't done yet. But yes, that is hopefully the next job. Thank you. See ya. Bye.